Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the concatenation of two column. You can see in this table, this is an employee table and you can see employee name, first name and last name, Bob Smith. Okay, the first name is Bob and second name is Smith. We need to concatenate this first name as and last name as name. So how to do that? So let me start in SQL. In SQL, Spark.sql, we'll use select. Okay, we'll use concat, and then first name, uh, then last name. Okay, here as name home emp, and then we'll use show. Okay, so here if we run this one, so this is the output. So there is no space between first name and last name, so we need a space also. How to do that? We'll use this. Okay, first name and last name. Let me run this one like this. You can see there's a space. Okay, first name and last name. If we increase this little bit, let me check. There's a space. Okay, so how to do it on DSL? So df hyphen, we will use df hyphen select. Okay, and then we will use concat, and then we will use column 1 f name, and here column 2 last name, and then show. Okay, let me run this one. You can see this is the first name and last name, but we need to add space, and we need to modify this one also as name. Okay, so first let me modify this one. Column first name, last name, and we will use as name. Okay, so let me run this one. You can see as name, and we need to use a space here. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll use lead function, and then there's a space. Let me run like this. You can see there's a space between, and the name also change as updated name or name. Okay, so this is how you can use concat in SQL, using concat first name, last name, and there's a space as name from employee, and here select concat. You have to give the column name first column and the last column as name, and then in between you have to give this lit function and space. Okay, if you want to give more space, then let me run how it will work. You can see I have given 2 or 3 backspace, and you can see this is the space. And if I do like this, let me try how it will work. Okay, so it is work like this one also. Okay, so if I give some plus, let me try, it will work as this also. And here also, if I give like this hyphen, and then it will also work like that. Okay, this is a hyphen. Okay, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.